Hello everyone, how are you doing? So in this session, I'm going to teach you how to make a polka dot pattern, and it's going to be just a 5 minute video, but I'll divide this video in three parts. So first of all, just open your Photoshop, make a new file, go to File, New, and keep it on the pixels. Weight is going to be 100, height 100, and resolution keep it like 72. For now, keep the background content to be white. I don't have a transparent because for polka dot you need a transparent background. So first of all, if you don't have a transparent option here, you can keep it white, and then just press create. Now this is your file. It's very small because your patterns should be in a form that it can be repetitive. So for now, we just need a file, like really small file. Okay. Okay. So first of all, for creating a pattern, you need to have these rulers here. Can you see how my mouse is hovering over this one scale, which is on your on your workspace? So if you don't have these rulers, go to filter. Sorry. Yeah. So go to view and you have your rulers here. So you need to check this part, the ruler part, and check the snap part too. Both of these two things are very important. I'm going to tell you again how can you get these rulers, these lines. So go to view and check the ruler part and the snap part. Okay, now it's done. So for getting the guides on your artboard, what you need to do, just click on the ruler like anywhere. If you're going to click here, we have this guideline. So what it's going to do, it's going to snap it itself to the middle. It's going, it's snapping to the middle. And same goes here. Just drag and keep it in the middle. Now this is the middle. So तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा. It's going to be like a magnetic force or something like that. After that, you need to select this tool, ellipse tool. ठीक है? If you don't have this tool, you can always right click on the three dots. Okay, right click on your three dots and you can find this tool here. Don't use this one. Don't use the marquee tool. You need to use this tool, this one, the ellipse tool. Now make a circle, press shift on your keyboard and just drag it like this. Okay, now snap it to the middle. It's gonna snap itself. So now it's in the middle. I think so. Okay, I'm gonna just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, great. Again, press shift and just keep it in the middle. Yep. Now this is the middle. So see how you're gonna find the middle, because जब भी तुम अपना ऑब्जेक्ट किसी मिडल पार्ट पे लेके आओगे ना, तुम्हारी जो गाइडलाइंस है वो पिंक हो जाएगी. सो नाउ एज यू कैन सी इट्स इन द मिडल. See, now it's in the middle. All your guidelines is showing that yes, your object is in the middle. Okay, it's done. So now, to create this as a seamless pattern, what you need to do, go to your layer, right click on your layer and duplicate the layer and just press OK. So now your layer is duplicated. It's here only. Okay. Don't move it like I did right now. Don't move it for now. Now, you want this pattern to be copied and somehow it will copy itself. I'm going to teach you how to do that. So for now, just duplicate the layer. Okay. Then go to filter and other, then click on the offset. Now it will ask you that whether you want to convert your object to smart object, rasterize it, or you don't want to do anything. So convert your object to a smart object. It's done. So see, do you remember the size of this whole canvas or the workspace we have? It's 100 by 100, right? So now the thing is, this is your pixels, like 100 and 100. Okay. So now इट्स आस्किंग कि तुम्हें कितना, जो अभी हमने नई लेयर बनाई है उसको आपको कहाँ पे प्लेस करना है. तो अगर आपका आर्ट बोर्ड 100 बाई 100 का बना है, यू नीड टू पिक 50, द हाफ ऑफ इट. सो आई एम गोना प्रेस 50 हियर एंड डू 50 हियर एंड जस्ट क्लिक रैप अराउंड. सो नाउ कैन यू सी दैट इसने एक सर्कल को चार पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया एंड इट अलाइंड इट टुवर्ड्स द एजेस. तो जब ये पैटर्न आप रिपीटेड फॉर्म में बनाओगे तो ये जो पूरा होगा, मतलब जब एक पैटर्न दूसरे पैटर्न के साथ फ्लिप होके आएगा तो यहाँ पे भी पूरा सर्कल बनाएगा. अंडरस्टूड. आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो फॉर दिस यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट लाइक, अगर आपने अपना पूरा आर्टबोर्ड का साइज 100 बाई 100 बनाया है, 100 विड्थ एंड 100 द height of your artboard, so you need to pick the half of it in your offset. अगर मेरा artboard यहाँ पे 200 का बनता तो मैं यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैंने 50 लिखा है horizontal and vertical, I'm gonna change it to 100. मतलब just the half of your artboard basically. It's simple. and just press OK. Now this is what you need. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? I hope कि तुम लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. Fine. Now this is your whole pattern, and merge the layers. ठीक है, now this is your layer. We don't need a background right now. मैंने आपको पहले I guess first में ही बता दिया था कि we need this layer to be transparent. So now the layer is transparent. I'm going to show you how again I did it. So we have this background layer. Okay, double click on the background layer. It will ask that do you want to create a new layer? Just press OK, and now this is your new layer. If you're going to hide this layer, can you see now? Now it's transparent. So that's what we need to do. Delete this layer. Now we have this. We need only this part to make a polka dot pattern. Okay, go to edit and define the pattern. I'm gonna name it like red